Yeah, my nigga died in the Regencies, I hate that bitch. Just thinking about it makes me sick. Put your hand down, bitch, cause you ain't give me shit. Keep that same energy when you see me rich. When I got locked up, you ain't send me shit. Doing surgery on her body, every curve I licks. I'm the same since I came, no I cannot switch. Except on when I'm on that tick. If you love it, then gon' do it and you cannot quit. They can't break what they did not fix. I had to practice what I preached. I was 26, I ain't had shit. Barely had no place to sleep. Thinking you hot shit, but you don't even got heat. I can burn you when I speak. Tongue hot like grease. Crooked smile, let me show my teeth. Show my ass when I'm on these beats. Baby, be my peace. Baby, be my freak. Baby, I can't sleep. Now that you gone, baby, I can't eat. Oh, you thought this shit stopped? I'ma make this bitch pop. I ain't with all of that internet beef, fuck clout. Turned out to be a rat, yes, he was born as a mouse. I can't trust nobody, that's why I don't go out. And the streets too iffy, now I'm on another route. Should've went my ass to college and expand my mind. We only know what they show, but still don't be blind. The government's some white hustlers, just some they grind. We getting robbed just to live, that's why we do crime. And